Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing UAG Plasma Series case for the OnePlus 8T. So here's the box. This is the Plasma Series case in the ice color, and that's the only color available. In India, it's being sold at 1800 rupees. You can buy it on Amazon.in or buy it directly from their official website GreedyTech.com. If you buy it directly from their website, you can use the coupon code GreedyTech to get 7% discount. Or else you can also try their social sidebar to get 10% discount coupon. Now with that said, here's a quick look at the box itself. On the front it simply says UAG, at the bottom it says Plasma Series case for the OnePlus 8T. On the back side we have the pricing, specs and some more information. Now let's unbox it. So here's the case. Just like all other UAG cases, this is also drop tested, offers drop protection and meets military drop test standards. So this is how the case looks on the back, and this is how it looks on the inside or the front. It has rubberized edges on 4 sides for impact protection, and on the inside it has a honeycomb pattern for a stronger structure. Now let me try out this case. So this is how the phone looks with the case on the back, and this is how it looks on the front. Now on the back there is a raised lip around the camera module, so when you place your phone on its back, camera is very well protected. Even when you accidentally drop it on its back, camera module will still be very well protected. There's also a raised lip on the front. It's not too big, but it is sufficient to protect the display when you place the phone directly on its face. Besides the overall protection, phone looks pretty sleek even with the case on, and all the buttons are easily traceable and clickable. Comparatively, volume buttons are slightly hard to press, but it's not a big issue. It also has a big cutout for the alert slider. It's accessible but not easy to use with a single hand. I personally don't think it's a big issue, as I don't use the alert slider too often. Now here's me dropping the phone. It can even survive harder drops, but I just don't want to risk it. Anyway, at least with this case on, I don't have to think about using the phone like it's too fragile. I can be a little rough with it. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for the best case for your OnePlus 8T that offers you sleeker looks and the best drop protection, you can definitely try out this UAG case. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this case, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.